2004 Ford Focus replacing the input speed sensor on the transmission. Alright, I already removed the input sensor. It's right down here. It's between all these wires. I use 1/4 inch extension and 1/4 inch 8mm 6-point socket. Go it's smaller and get fit between here so you can remove that nut. That nut there. It's an 8mm nut. So use 1/4 inch extension, 1/4 inch 8mm 6-point. And I use a pry bar and pry the sensor up where it was hooked on with the housing where the brackets, and kind of lifted up slowly and came right out the hole. Alright. But when you're doing that, you gotta support your transmission. You gotta remove the battery or support the bracket, alright, and the tray, the plastic tray. Alright. You need a deep socket, 21mm. This is the transmission motor mount. Support bracket. Alright, this way it goes on. And then you need a 15mm to remove the 4 nuts that holds the support on the bracket for the transmission. Alright. Then you gotta move the cruise control 8mm bolts. Just shift this all the way because this can turn. It's flexible. Your wiper fill up, it's flexible. Alright, you can turn it up so you can get your wrench in there and take it out. And then you use 13mm, like I said, to take the tray out. 13mm socket. Alright, so this is the new part number right here. Dorman. Get it from Amazon. This is the new one. Where's the old one at? This is the old one. Alright. A lot of wear and tear on it. Just have to do a lot with your shifting or your gears in the transmission. So once I replace this thing should be shifting smooth. I see all that stuff built up on it. That's since 2004. It has not been replaced. I'm replacing it. It's called Dorman. Yeah, from Amazon. Open that box up for me. Take it out of the plastic. So I'm gonna go install the new one right now. It'll be a tight fit, but I'm gonna get it in there. This is the new one. The input speed sensor. Alright. This is the diagram where the parts is on the transmission. Alright. And this is the front. You're looking at the front, called turbine. Alright. And that's where it is. Okay. That's the turbine. Call it the turbine shaft speed sensor. Alright, which is this right here. Your input. I already did the output. The output is underneath where the CV axle is on the right hand side, the transmission housing. But this is the difficult one. Okay. I'm gonna put it in. Hold on right there. Let me shine that light. It's tight, but you gotta get in there. Shine the light. I can't see that hole. I gotta see that hole.
The battery's dying.
I just replaced that battery. It's in the hole. It's in the hole. Yeah, just fall down the hole. Shine it in there. I can't see. Man, I just replaced that light, that battery. Ugh. I'm shining right, the hole right there. I gotta get that thing right in that hole. Man, I can't see like that. One sec. I just can't see. For make some of the stuff easy and some is difficult, like this input speed sensor. It's a lot of work, man. That's why they don't make Ford Focus anymore. Because when they first designed it, they didn't think people who have to work on it. You gotta get the thing lined up right in that hole. You know what I mean? Look like line up in that hole. Right? I get a push. Gotta give it a push. Looks like right in the hole, huh? Just give it a push. Give it a push. Where's that pry bar? Look like it's seated on there. Anything like disconnecting the wire harness. This again. Alright, so that's seated down in that hole. Alright, so I'm gonna put the seats in there, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, like push. Push. All right. Yeah, it's flush down there. I'm put the 8mm. Use an 8mm nut. 8mm nut. I'm gonna start off with a magnet. Give it a little turn. It goes in at a slant, okay? It goes in as a slant. And you put in that bolt in. I said that bolt in there. Now I'm gonna hand tighten it. And hold my extension of the slant and thread that bolt in that hole, that tight little hole. Shine a light. All 1/4 inch. Harbor Freight. All Harbor Freight tools. Alright, that's how you install the input speed sensor. It's in the tight spot. Just gotta get your bolt right in there. You don't want to strip it, you don't want to break it. You want to break a bolt down in there. That's the last thing you want to do, is break your bolt. This tight little spot. Alright. I'm gonna hook the signage back up, put everything back together, and that's how you do it. And you put speed sensor for full focus.